Now, I wanted to also comment on from an Elliott wave perspective here. This chart shows a labeling that I have shown for several months up until this June high was broken a couple weeks ago, and because of that, I had kind of put this labeling on the back burner. However, there's still probably a pretty narrow window of time until maybe the first week of September that if the market would be end up forming a top here and not move on to new highs, I would say I would probably still interpret this pattern this way. If there is some pullback and then a new high, I think the patterns I showed in the last video would probably be a better way to look at it. But the way I see it here, this last big leg down took almost 2 months to the day. Now, there's kind of a proportion, a rule of 1/3 or 3 that I use to see if successive market moves are kind of the same degree. And so if this move takes 3 times longer than this move here, this move is 2 months. If this move gets to keep making highs beyond 6 months from this low, which would be around the low occurred March 6th, so if we get out to September 6th and are still making new highs, then the duration of this move is going to be excessive relative to these other legs up to continue to view it that way. Now, these boxes here, they're of the same time consumption if I kind of overlay them on each other. And what I'm showing there is what I view as the last two waves in this pattern, a wave up here and a wave down. And one of the ways that successive market moves or waves can relate is that the following wave, in this case the wave we've had up since July, can equal the total time of the last two waves. Usually doesn't get much longer than that. So if the market continues to make new highs after we get outside this blue box, again, that would be another reason to abandon this scenario. But with all this other stuff that's occurring right now, the probable low in the dollar, some really stretched sentiment readings, the divergence in the breadth indicators, then if there is a top here, then I would still probably move forward looking at it this way.